Chief Meteorologist Mike Nelson now. Uncanny how much that looks like my front lawn, Mike.
That's amazing. I was going to say the same thing about your lawn. It's going to be a really nice evening an evening as today was. 57 clear skies at 7 o'clock, 48 at 11 p.m. And we'll have plenty of starlight tonight. It's going to be a good one. What a beautiful day today. But it had a chilly start at 19 degrees this morning. Got up to 66. The averages are 61 and 32. Currently in Denver, it's a great late afternoon. Still 66 out at the airport. 65 downtown. Barometers falling, but the winds are calm. I wish I could say that was going to linger, but it's not. Things are going to change over the course of the next 24 hours. So all the windy, cold weather's gone. It's in the Midwest. We have warm and dry conditions, but there's another cold front coming our way. And as that front gets closer, the winds are going to increase. It'll be mild in the morning, but the winds will start to get gusty. Some high clouds coming into western Colorado by early Saturday. But overnight lows are going to be in the upper 30s to low 40s across the I-25 corridor. A little bit colder out on the eastern plains. 42 at Grand Junction, some low 30s, Durango, Pagosa, Cortez. We'll see 35 degrees at Aspen. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 20s to low 30s in the mountains tomorrow morning, and will be in the lower 40s, even some mid to upper 40s around Boulder and Broomfield, with winds picking up. Tomorrow, it's going to be a windy day and a warm day. 75 degrees expected in Denver. We do have a red flag warning that's in effect for tomorrow because the winds will be gusty out of the south. The air is going to be dry. And with that, we will have high fire danger again along the I-25 corridor and out across the eastern plains. But in the mountains, temperatures are going to be in the 50s for tomorrow, and we'll have mid-80s over southeastern Colorado, 70s out west. But that front is not too far away. Warm and windy on the plains tomorrow. Little snow and rain late in the day in the mountains. We'll get some light rain showers Saturday night and early Sunday, and maybe a little bit of snow and rain on Sunday, but the main thing Sunday is going to be windy conditions from the northwest and cooler air coming in. Then Monday, that moves out. We're milder briefly, followed by another storm system coming our way Tuesday into Wednesday that could be a pretty good snowmaker, especially for the mountains, and a mix of rain and snow expected down here. Tomorrow, warm and windy and 75 degrees, but we do have to talk about the polar plunge in Boulder, where temperatures are going to be in the lower 70s, windy, warm conditions. Then looking ahead to Sunday, windy and cooler with 53, maybe a few showers. Monday, milder, 62. Rain comes in Tuesday with 55. Colder Wednesday with rain and snow, and then clearing out Thursday and mostly sunny and back to 65 next Friday.
All right. Thank you, Mike.